Hey everyone, my name is Minjeo. Welcome back into Trainz Simulator 2019. Today's Trainz race is the LNER A1 Peppercorn Tornado against the Nickel Freight S-2. So, if you're brand new here and don't know how to get these two amazing locomotives going at the exact same time, all you need to do is press P on the keyboard to pause the game. Now there are two ways that you can make the dial in the bottom right hand corner move. You can either hold down your W key like I just did, or you can click and drag it with your mouse. Just make sure you don't drag it backwards, otherwise you'll go backwards and die. Then once you're ready to go, just press the P key again, then off we go.